Hi, my name is Jonathan. This is the second video in the series about cooking oil because I care about your health and I care about my health and I care about my family's health and your family's health. And this is a discussion about health. This is a discussion about cooking oil. And so I'm trying to reference original sources. I'm trying to reference good, solid, high quality videos that I can summarize into digestible parts so that you can get some information out of it in a shorter format than the original source. But again, you should always reference the original source. So Bobby Parrish, I'm not familiar with him. Flav City is the name of his channel. He does have over 3 million subscribers, so he must be doing something correct. The video that I'm going to actually summarize is called Cooking Oil Review at the Grocery Store, Healthy versus Toxic Oils. It has over 330,000 views. It's about 13 minutes, so that means my video is going to be about 5 to 6 minutes. It was made back in December of 19, and it has over 850 comments. It starts with Bobby at the grocery store. Visually, this was stimulating. Good job, Bobby, for actually going to the grocery store and talking about the wall of oils that people are confronted with. Don't use canola, Crisco, corn, sunflower, safflower, or soybean oil, and most of them are grouped together on the store shelves. Because, according to Bobby, they are GMO, especially the corn and the soybean. They are highly processed, high heat, hexane solvent, and highly inflammatory, and I agree with all of that. They are cheap for the most part. They have no flavor cooking, but again, if you care about your health, you will change your oil. Change your oil, change your health. That's the point of these videos, especially the cooking oil series. If you still want to use these oils, look for expeller pressed. I've never heard of expeller pressed, but I understand the concept. Instead of all the refining that they do, they actually push it through a grinder of sorts. It is not refined at high heat, and it is limited processed. Best for fried foods if you can find it. And then Bobby goes into a wonderful shopping guide advertisement for about 1 minute and 15 seconds. Very interesting, very informative. Good job, Bobby. I like it. He then talks about algae oil. Never heard of it. It's very expensive. It is heart healthy, but again, I've never seen that algae oil. Avocado oil, he does mention, but again, it's not for cooking. It does have a high smoke point. It does raise your HDL and lower your LDL, but use it in salad dressings, use it in vinaigrettes, don't use it for cooking. You can actually get a very good deal, according to Bobby, at Costco or Amazon. Truffle oil, Funky Monkey reference, Mr. Bobby. I like it. Very expensive, and I love the fact that you talked about the synthetic truffle oil flavor. Wonderful job. It is not natural. It is synthetic. He did talk about lemon natural aroma, which again is not natural. It is synthetic. Avoid those if you can possibly can. He did mention oil infusions, which I was very interested in. I'm actually going to produce one of those videos in the series of cooking oils about oil infusions. You can do it at home. Don't buy it. According to Bobby, the best is coconut oil. Again, good saturated oil, heart healthy, wonderful oil. Ghee, he does mention that. The best is grass-fed because of the increase in omega-3s. And the CLGs, which are the conjugated linolenic acids. Good saturated fat. Use it. He did talk about the big money into agriculture. Fantastic job, Bobby. Good job. And how heart disease has increased since big agriculture has been introduced. Good enough for grandma. Good enough for you. But not Crisco. Don't use it. He did talk about buying in bulk, Costco, Sam's, other big discount stores, about it's cheaper per unit, more expensive in the initial cost, lasts longer, so you get a better average cost. He then mentioned spray oils, and I'm not very familiar with spray oils. I have one at the house, but he does talk about propellants used in spray oils, and there is a propellant-free version, which I had no idea. Fantastic. I learned something, Bobby. He does talk about olive oil. Extra virgin, of course, is the best. Good smoke point. And again, wonderful information. Know where your oil comes from. Look at the back. Look at the state or the country of origin. Avoid light olive oil because it is more refined. Wonderful job, Bobby. I loved it. Good job. I didn't know that you had so many followers, and I didn't know you had so many videos, and I'm going to enjoy kind of exploring some of these videos and summarizing them as we move forward. I like that you mentioned GMO oils. I like that you mentioned industrial agriculture. I like that you mentioned the real world concept of buying in bulk. Wonderful job. I like this video. Thank you for watching, and good night.